We are in the art room. What is your favorite color?
This one. It's blue.
I like red.
What is your favorite color? My favorite color in the art room is blue. My favorite color is pink in the art room.
Why do you like it in the art room?
Blue is calm and nice. Pink is beautiful.
Do you draw with colors in the art room?
Yes, I draw with pink.
Yes, I draw with blue.
Excellent work. Wow. We did it. Look what I made. Wow, that's amazing. I love it. Let's keep drawing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next lesson.
What is your favorite color?